Hey everybody, Jack Boyles. This is part 2. I got the new hose on, and as you can see right here it is, and it's got some mud on it. Tied in right here at the bottom. If you can see right there, that's the new one. It goes in and goes down, goes through the chassis, and comes up to the control box. So I got that on earlier today, and I've washed this off a bit, and I'll show you what we've done so far as the continuation of this French drain. This old property has got some water issues, but hopefully we'll get all this fixed before long. So this is what we had coming down to this corner, and so I've used the backhoe, and we have dug this out all the way down. Now I would have liked to have straddled it and just dug and pulled forward and dug and pulled forward, but this ground is so soft, it is pretty much just mud right now. So for the time being, I have dug it out so it will drain, and as you can see, we have water moving. If you can see the ripples right on down through there. So the water's flowing now. And then it goes on back here to this little end of the property. It'll go on down. There's a creek down there, so I've stopped it right here. This is about 2 or 3 feet deep, and I'm gonna see how this does, and then if it does pretty good, we may just leave it here. I may dig on out a little bit just to get over the hump here, and then it'll drain down. There's a creek pretty much right there. It runs back behind the property. So all of this I got done today. Basically cleared this section of property out, and looking pretty good. Whew. Mud back here. Let's see here. And I am tired. So once we get all this done, I'm gonna put pipe in the ground. I'll have to dig this out better than it is right now. We'll make it a nice even trench, kind of like this is becoming. So got the hard part done out of this, so we'll shape it up. Then I'll run the pipe. I'll probably do at least 2, maybe 3 pipes in the ground here, and then fill it all in with rock. Now this dirt, I'll end up, once the rock's in, I'll just end up taking this dirt and pushing it to the back of the property. Some of it I'll probably have to haul off, and we'll use the loader to do that. So look pretty good. So I'm really pleased with this tractor. I can already think of 1,000 things I can do with this. So it did a really good job. It runs good. There are some original hoses you see here, but then there's also several that's been replaced, like this one back here on the backhoe. These are all new. These right here are all new. And then the main line is the one that ruptured, so I've got that one replaced now, going to this control box right here. So put the seat down. So it's looking pretty good, and I guess I could demonstrate it. So hold on, I'll show you what the functions do. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but with it running, the outside levers are for the outrigger. So push it, pull it. See that? And it'll actually, if I step back over here, it'll lift it up. tires are off the ground right there. I'm pretty much just parking it, so I'm just gonna put it down where it's flat on the ground. All right, then moving over, the next one is up and down. All right, third one over extends it. Fourth one is the bucket, forward, backwards. And this little red handle swings it. Now I'll put it back down. Slack off of it. On the front end, that's the throttle, choke, key, and then this handle operates the bucket. So push it forward, it will raise the front wheels off the ground. Pull back on it, it lifts it up. Move to the right, dumps. Move to the left, raises it up. Forward, goes down. And there you have it. So the gas pedals, hydrostatic, so push the top, goes forward, push the back, it goes in reverse. Got a handy dandy cup holder here. Fuel tank is up in here. And a reservoir for the hydraulics is right here. Hydraulic pump is up under here. So there you go. Really nice loader. I am really happy with it. I'm looking forward to cleaning the property up. As you can see, I got all kinds of stuff back here that I can load up and haul away. I am looking for a dump trailer. So if anybody's got a dump trailer, like a 16 footer maybe, let me know. So there you have it. Continuation for our French drain project. So got a lot done today. I'm pretty tickled with that. So pretty much that whole area is cleared out, and we got our little ditch going. So from High Point, North Carolina, this is Steam Engines USA working on our French drains, and working with our Terramite T5 mini loader. And I'm pretty happy with this thing. I wish I'd have got one of these a long time ago. That'd have been super, super handy. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.